If you look at the markets, there is 3 points that we are actually raising there. We don't believe, number one, we don't believe that there is a next huge regulatory wave rolling over the banking sector, with the exception, of course, of finalization of the Basel reforms. However, and that's the point number 2, we believe that the pressure on financial services industry will stay or will even get bigger because the banking supervision and the regulatory bodies manage to industrialize. We have highly industrialized supervision across Europe these days, and that increases the pressure on the banking industry. And this leads me to the point number 3. The banks have to start thinking differently. They have to start cooperate. They have to find new, more innovative models to drop the costs. And that's where we are coming in. With the RegTech Factory, we have a modern offering to get the utility on the commercial basis for the banking industry across Europe. So de facto, we are setting a standard which I would like to call EU rep here.